Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 Joystick to your PC wirelessly. First, gather your essentials. You'll need a PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller and a PC with Bluetooth capability. If your computer lacks built-in Bluetooth, a small USB Bluetooth adapter works perfectly. Always ensure your PC's Bluetooth drivers are updated for the smoothest connection and best gaming experience. To begin pairing, hold down the Share button and the PlayStation button on your DualShock 4 controller simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll notice the light bar on the controller start flashing rapidly, indicating it's in pairing mode. Now, on your personal computer, navigate to your Bluetooth settings and select the option to add a new device. Once your PC's Bluetooth settings are open, you should see Wireless Controller appear in the list of available devices. Click on it to complete the pairing process. Your computer will then recognize the DualShock 4, and the light bar will turn solid. Test your new connection immediately with a favorite game or a simple online controller testing utility to ensure everything is working perfectly. For an even better experience, consider using DS4 Windows. This free software allows your PlayStation 4 controller to emulate an Xbox 360 controller, which many PC games natively support. It also offers extensive customization options, letting you remap buttons, change light bar colors, and fine-tune trackpad sensitivity. This can significantly enhance your wireless gaming on PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.